If you want a super quick way to flip your canvas in Krita, this simple shortcut can save you a lot of time while drawing. It is especially useful for checking proportions, spotting mistakes, and making sure your artwork looks balanced from both sides. Before we get into it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. To flip your canvas in Krita, all you need to do is press the M key on your keyboard. As soon as you press M, Krita will instantly mirror your canvas horizontally. This does not change your actual artwork file, it is only a visual flip, which means your drawing stays exactly the same underneath. This is really helpful because when you see your art reversed, small issues often stand out much more clearly. You might notice uneven eyes, a tilted face, awkward perspective, or proportion problems that you did not see before. If you want to go back to the normal view, just press M again. That toggles the canvas back to its original orientation right away. So remember, M to flip and M again to return. This shortcut is perfect for artists who want to review their sketch, line art, or painting without making any permanent changes. It is one of those small Krita shortcuts that can make a big difference in your workflow. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more quick digital art tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.